Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing an unboxing and I'll be showing y'all what I purchased from shoecaresupplies.com. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. Whatever I purchased from shoecaresupplies.com, I purchased with my own money. Now on to the unboxing. Okay, all right. Before I open the box, I want to share a little bit of info on shoecaresupplies.com. This is off the website. Here is the breakdown. Here at shoecaresupplies.com, under the guidance of Joe Syracuse, my apologies if I butcher your name. We have been helping out the public with their store care problems with shoe care solutions for over 30 years. The business was started back in 1981 when Joe opened a shoe store in West Hartford, Connecticut. You can read the rest of shoecaresupplies.com, but in the meantime, I'm going to open this box. Once again, kids, do not play with knives, okay? This is something serious. Do not play with knives. All right, first item. What is this? Shoe care supplies, advertisement, and marketing materials. It says, thank you for your recent order. At shoecaresupplies.com, we pride ourselves on shipping orders within 1 to 2 business days. You sure? Because this package took quite a minute, all right? But we're going to keep that between you and I. Your shipment was delayed because one of the items in your order needed to be restocked. Okay, that's understandable. As a special thank you for your understanding and patience, we would like to offer you 10% off your entire next order with us. Gave me a 10% coupon. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. So first. Foam insoles. So I purchased 12 pairs. This cost me about $11.99. From my understanding, you could cut these soles to your liking or to your sizing. That's the first item. All right. This is size 10. It says bulk full foam insoles, 1 dozen pairs. And of course, your nice shoe brush. All right. For my understanding, this shoe brush, you see how it's curved, for, brushing purposes. And also, is 100% horsehair. I don't have a lot of experience in buffing shoes, but I know one thing. Horsehair is very important compared to buying a synthetic brush, all right? Because it's not hard. The bristles is not hard. I mean, I'm touching right now. It's quite soft, all right? And this dark brush is for a darker color shoes. Shoecaresupplies.com, 100% horsehair, made in USA. And I purchased another one. Same thing, shoecaresupplies.com, 100% horsehair, made in USA. So the reason I purchased a darker color brush and a lighter color brush is because for darker shoes, darker boots, and amongst other things. And this is for your light shoes that are white. Basically, shoes, boots, sometimes sneakers that's not darker color. This is horsehair. Wow. Okay. So yeah, this is from shoecaresupplies.com. It's very important you buy something that's you consider expensive. I think anything over 120 or even 100 as far as shoes, boots and sneakers concerned, to me is expensive. So once it's become expensive, it becomes an investment and you must protect your investment. It is not different from buying an expensive jacket or coat. You have to take care of it. Don't just throw it in the washer. Get it dry clean. And don't forget to put your shoe trees on your shoes, your boots, and sneakers. And take care of it because at the end of the day, you have to protect your feet. Because if you have a messed up feet, it could ruin your physical body. It starts from the feet and then it could affect your lower back. I don't know, I'm not a physician, but I know that for sure. If one thing is weak, it could affect your other parts of your body. That's what I'm just pointing out. So invest in some nice shoes, right? As you grow older, as you gain some finance in your life, invest, okay? Invest high quality because usually, in my experience, I don't know anybody else, when you're purchasing something high quality, it tends to last quite longer than compared to, these these fast forward brands. But that's just me. Like I said, as I'm getting older, I prefer to invest in high quality products. All right. There you go. That was the unboxing of the bulk full foam insoles, 1 dozen, and 2 of these brush for your shoes, boots, and sneakers. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Hey world, check out the brand DOSOS at www.dosos.clothing. Winter is upon us. Check out the brand. Our latest is this Hello World crew neck. It's warm, pretty warm. It's pretty comfortable. We only have limited supplies. Check it out at www.dosos.clothing. Thank you. Once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello world. Bye world. Peace.